What? I'm ready.
Blast off.
Yeah. It's kind of cold out here.
No kidding.
All right. Irvin's experiment.
Experiment? I don't know if I call it that.
So this is the second one you have, and both of them seem to be about the same, huh? Okay, let's see what happens. Is it supposed to fire as soon as you put it in? Except now you got snow in it.
I did get lots of snow in it.
That was, and you probably don't have a screwdriver or anything for it, huh? Okay. Oh, I don't know if I'm seeing it. Oh, there it was.
What?
It was pretty cool.
Too bad I didn't have anybody stabilizing it.
I don't know what stabilizing it meant, but yeah.
Stabilizing this.
Oh, somebody was supposed to hold on to that?
Yeah, stabilize it before you go with it.
Yeah, I was doing the video.